Got him. Strikeout number 2,000 comes on a changeup from Roy Halladay as he gets David Ross swinging to wrap up the first inning. So career strikeout number 2,000 for Roy Halladay. And now we've got some discussions going on the field. Wait a minute, what's going on? I don't know if they're saying the ball was in the dirt and Ross went to first on it. Gary Cederstrom's now pointing and asking the first base umpire, Mike McClinsky, what happened. Are they saying that ball was in the dirt and it got away from Ruiz? That it was a live ball and David Ross was able to go to first? Well, everybody was walking off the field.
Yeah, I mean, Carlos ran right off the field after he caught it. What else could it be? I don't know what else it could be.
Well, strikeout number 2,000 for Halladay is an odd one. If this is what happens and this is how it stands.